Hi, my name is Ernest. In this video I'm going to show you one of the most powerful features of Ajax Search Pro, and that is file content search and indexing. Obviously, you're going to need Ajax Search Pro for that, so if you don't have a license yet, link in the description below. First off, let's look at my media library. As you can see, I've uploaded some sample documents such as a PDF, an Excel document, a Word document, a presentation, a comma-separated values file, and an older version of an Excel document. Ajax Search Pro can search all of these and even more, but these are the most common used file formats. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's go to Ajax Search Pro index table panel. Scroll down a little bit and let's drag attachment media to the post types we want to use. And right away, you notice that a new option, Media Service External File Indexing feature, pops up. This is optional, but we are going to use it because this parser is much more accurate than the ones that are built in. That is because PHP parsers generally are not very good at getting the file contents. So let's click on the add-ons page here under the Activate button, and you will be redirected to a page where you can get a free license for this service. This is for unlimited sites and unlimited files, so you don't really have to worry about the usage. It's only limited to 10 megabytes of file size, but it's probably enough for most of you. Of course, I already have a license prepared, and this one is a paid one, so we can even test the OCR features. Very nice. When you activate the license, it's immediately activated, and you can start indexing. Okay, so once that's done, let's just scroll down and choose what MIME types you want to index. We obviously want PDF documents, the text, the rich text, as well as the Word and Excel and PowerPoint, and I think that's all of it. Okay, now that's done, let's just enable file content indexing for all of these MIME types. Let's go even further down and save the options. Now, as the plugin says, the options have changed, so don't forget to reindex. So let's now click on the Create New Index button. It's gonna take a little bit, because obviously Ajax Search Pro needs to send the files to the server, so let's wait. Alright, it just finished, and it says that over 9,000 keywords were added to the database, which is a very good sign that everything was indexed. But to verify, let's go to the media menu, and let's click, for example, to the PDF document. And as you can see, there's an extra field available, says content, which should be all of the PDF contents right there. Okay, let's check something else. Let's see this document. Okay, apparently the content is right here, but just to verify, here's the document opened. Let's see the solar system comprehensive overview. Let's go back. And yeah, there we go. This looks the same to me. And if we check the rest of them, there you go. The contents are just right there, even from the PowerPoint presentation. Let's take a look at the presentation. Where is it? Yeah, let's see. Okay, it's about rabbits, so it's very interesting. But as you can see, all of the slides are right there. Perfect. Now, let's create a search bar to search these documents. So let's just click on Ajax Search Pro, and let's create a new search form, File Search. I'm going to call this File Search. And now, let's just click on this icon. I'm going to disable posts and pages search for this search instance because I really just only want the files, but you can of course search multiple sources. Now let's click on Media File Search, return media files as results, yes, and we want to choose the index table engine. We need this because we want to search the index which contains the file contents. Alright, this is all we need for now. Let's just save all tabs and let's just try it in the preview. And to test this, let's grab a keyword, for example, from the Word document, for example, let's say exploration. I'll copy this and search. And there you go, we got it as the result. And even better, as you can see, there is a context around the keyword. So it's not only searching the contents, but it uses the contents as a context around the description. Alright, let's just not stop there. Let's try the rabbit presentation as well. For example, sagebrush. If we have a match, it should show up. And there you go, we have a match. Perfect. And just for the sake of completeness, let's try something from the PDF document. Okay, just let me scroll and find something interesting we can search for. Okay, let's do dare say. That sounds fine. And hey, perfect, we even got the text context around the description, which is very nice. Alright, there's one more thing. You don't have to always create a new index when you upload a file, because Ajax Search Pro will automatically index the documents when you upload them. And there's one more interesting thing, and that is the OCR for image files. What does that mean? Because I'm using a paid license, that enables the OCR for image files. OCR is optical character recognition. So when you upload an image that contains some characters, then Ajax Search Pro will try to recognize these characters and index them. I have two files prepared that are scans of pages with a lot of text, so let's see if Ajax Search Pro can index them. And as you can see, it takes a little bit more time. That means that the OCR is working and tries to recognize the characters. Okay, the first one seems to be ready, let's wait. And I have to reload the page to load the contents. There we go. And let's see. All right. As you can see, we have a match here, and most of the text, as I can see, is here. And it seems to be very accurate. So let's try searching one of these keywords here. Let's go back to Ajax Search Pro here, to the preview, and search this. And hey, we got a match from an OCR image. That is amazing. So yeah, this is all there is to it. So I highly recommend using Ajax Search Pro, maybe a file content feature, if you're looking for a file content search engine for your WordPress website. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.